Next stop is Bank, followed by London Bridge. All stations to Morden.
Do you know what? We're at Moorgate. Just a little video. Let's go on the Elizabeth line. Let's try this. Wait for this train to go, and then we'll do what we usually do. This is the Northern Line train going to Moorgate. Well, we're at Moorgate now. Cue the intro. Welcome aboard, passengers. Mega Sim. Oh, I could have got that lift. We are going to the new bit of Moorgate. We are heading onto the Elizabeth line. Yes, that underground train that's not an underground train. And we're going to go down a few stops before we get off at Oxford Circus. Not Elizabeth line doesn't go to Oxford Circus, but you know, it kind of get there. I'm just going the long way around, just for a little bit before heading home. But yeah, let's head to the station, or to the platform, because we're in the station. So this is where you can rest. Rest on here for a little bit. Yeah. Whilst you're walking, because it takes so long to get there. So let's head down. So we're heading westbound. Oh, we could go to Reading. No, we're going to... I thought Bond Street was open. Ah. Where are we? Are we Liverpool Street? We're not Moorgate, we're Liverpool Street. But yeah, I thought Bond Street was open. Maybe we'll have to go to Tottenham Court Road. We could go, couldn't we? Let's get on board. Look at that. We're on board. Yeah, I thought it was open. Well, let's find out from the thing and go from there. Hello. Might just be one stop that will be going on. Calling out. Farringdon. Yeah, so we are Liverpool Street, Farringdon, Tottenham Court. I thought that was open, but apparently not. Let's get off. Excuse me. There we go. I think we're going to go to Tottenham Court Road and get the Central Line to Oxford Circus. I'm not saying that the Bond Street is, but it does say Bond Street is open. So, do you know what? Screw it. I'm going back on. I'm going back on.
Bond Street.
Here we go. So, we're here. We are at Bond Street. We can see there's the train there. These are only going to Paddington and then they go back, whereas from this weekend, well, by the time this video comes out, it would already be done, but from this weekend from recording, it will be going all the way to Reading. So that'll be cool. Love to see that. So there he goes. Off he goes. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from LaMegaSim. Social media links are in the description. I'll see you on the next video. This is MegaSim out of here. See you later, guys. Bye. I don't have to go up there. I've got to go this way. See you soon, guys.